Hello, this is question number 8 from Motion in a Straight Line DPP. It states that a ball is thrown horizontally from a height with a certain velocity at time t is equal to 0. The ball bounces repeatedly from the ground with a coefficient of restitution less than 1. E value is less than 1 here, partially elastic or partially inelastic collision. Neglecting air resistance and taking the upward direction as positive. So basic general convention, upward as positive and downward as negative, which figure quantitatively represent the Vy versus T graph. Only we have to concentrate on the Y direction. So along the Y direction, we know that acceleration is always going to be constant, which is g in downward direction, which implies slope of this Vy versus T graph, which is nothing but acceleration, should be always constant. But you see this region during this motion, we can see that velocity will be continuously increasing in y direction starting with a 0, right? So from here to here, y direction velocity will be in negative and it will be continuously increasing, which implies this option is gone, first option is gone. This cannot be the answer. So these three are possible, remaining B, C and D. You can see that whenever there is a collision, if there is a collision here, suddenly if it comes with some 10 meter per second and hit it, as the E value is less than 1, it will go back with some 7 meter per second or something like that, which is less than 10 meter per second. So whenever there is a collision, there will be a sudden change in direction of the velocity, which implies option D is not possible. Out of B and C, if you see the difference here, they are showing different velocities after each collision. Here they are showing the same velocity after each collision. You can see after first collision, if it is having 7, after just before second it will again have 7, and just after the second collision it may have some 5 or 6, something like that. So velocity after each collision will be continuously decreasing, which is shown perfectly in option B. So we can take B as a correct option for this question. Thank you.